Darius, how are you feeling about the numbers quiz tomorrow?
I'm feeling prepared, but I could use more practice to be super confident. Would you like to practice with me, Nico?
Sure, let's make it fun. Nira, can you host a game show where you show us a number in either standard form or word form, and then we write the number in the opposite form?
This will be awesome! First, let's review the two number forms we will practice today.
Good thinking. Nira, please show us the number 4,587 in standard form.
Thanks, Nira. Now, please show us the same number in word form.
The standard form of a number is written as numerals.
The word form of a number is written as words.
In both forms, the digit 4 is in the thousands place, the digit 5 is in the hundreds place, the digit 8 is in the tens place, and the digit 7 is in the ones place.
That's right. Standard form and word form are two ways to show the same number.
When we say a number aloud, we read it from left to right, and it's helpful to say it in groups that are separated by commas.
A period is a group of up to 3 digits. Each digit in a period represents a different place value. When a number includes 2 periods, they are separated by a comma.
The ones period includes the ones, tens, and hundreds places. The thousands period includes the 1,000s, 10,000s, and 100,000s places.
In this number, 347 is in the thousands period, and 295 is in the ones period.
So we read the numbers in the thousands period as 347,000, and that's how we write it, adding a comma after it.
Then we can move on to the ones period, which we read and write as 295. Because it's the ones period, we don't do anything past that. So the full word form is 347,295.
Got it. Okay, Nira, we're ready to play Name That Number.
Since this number is shown in standard form, we need to write it in word form. Let's first read the number. Then we will write it exactly how we say it.
The comma lets us know there are 2 periods in this number, the thousands period and the ones period.
There is only the digit 6 in the thousands period, so we start with the word 6,000 before the comma.
820 is in the ones period, so we write those words after the comma. Altogether in word form, the number is 6,820. Oops.
Nice job remembering that we only say "and" when we are reading decimal numbers. This number is just 6,820. Okay, here's our next number. It's in word form, so we need to write it in standard form.
Look, the comma in this word means there are 2 periods. The words before the comma say 1,000, so we know we can put the digit 1 in the thousands place.
The words after the comma say 337, so we can put the digits 3, 3, and 7 in the ones period after the comma.
We wrote 1,337 in standard form. Hooray! We are leveling up!
The word form of a number is shown. Select the answer that shows the same number in standard form. 7,947. You got this.
Okay, we need to write this new number in standard form.
Let's read the groups of numbers before and after the comma to help us write it.
This group before the comma is 73,000. That means 73 is in the thousands period.
The group after the comma is 194, so it goes in the ones period.
We wrote 73,194 in standard form. Great teamwork.
For this one, we need to choose the word form that matches the standard form of this number.
It is easy to read the number in standard form if we pay attention to the comma and the periods before and after it. This shows 58,602.
Nice reading. Let's narrow down our choices by paying attention to the thousands period first. Which version starts with 58,000?
These words both say 5,000, so we know they can't be the answer.
After 58,000 comes 602. This version says 620 after the comma, which does not match. But this version matches. 58,602.
How is 3,406 written in word form? 3,406. Way to go!
All right. In this number, I see the group 892 in the thousands period. So we can write 892,000, then add the comma.
In this group, the 0 means there are no hundreds in the ones period. So we just read it as 63. Let's write that here.
You're correct, Nico. This number in word form is written as 892,063.
Wow, that was a big number. But looking at it by periods makes it easier to read and write. This is our last one. Let's write this number in standard form.
The group of words before the comma says 775,000. Let's write 775 and add a comma.
That's right. The words after the comma say 464. We can write 464 in the ones period.
Nico, we completed Name That Number.
The word form of a number is shown. Select the answer that shows the same number in standard form. 92,518. Excellent.
That was fun. Paying attention to the groups of numbers in each period really helped us read and write the numbers in word form and standard form.
I feel much more confident for tomorrow's quiz. Thanks, Nira, for the fun game.
Standard form and word form are two ways to show the same number. This is the number 4,587. It is written using numerals. This is called standard form. You can write the same number using words. This is called word form. In both forms, the digit 4 is in the thousands place. The digit 5 is in the hundreds place. The digit 8 is in the tens place. And the digit 7 is in the ones place. Read the number from left to right. It's helpful to read the digits in groups that are separated by commas. A period is a group of up to 3 digits. Each digit in a period represents a different place value. When a number includes 2 periods, they are separated by a comma. The ones period includes the ones, tens, and hundreds places. The thousands period includes the 1,000s, 10,000s, and 100,000s places. In this number, 347 is in the thousands period, and 295 is in the ones period. The word form of a number is also read from left to right. Pay attention to any commas that separate the groups of digits into periods. In this number, 347,000 comes before the comma. So, these digits are in the thousands period. 295 comes after the comma. These digits are in the ones period. The number can be read as 347,295. To write this number in word form, first read the groups of digits from left to right. Start with the thousands period, and then move to the ones period. This number is read as 56,145. Write the word form in the same way, using a comma to separate the periods. To write this number in standard form, read from left to right again. The comma separates the two periods. Now write each group as numerals, starting with the thousands period, and then moving to the ones period. Add a comma to separate the two periods. It can be helpful to reread the word form and standard form to make sure they are the same number. Use the number selector to input the correct answer into each box. The word form of a number is shown. How is this number written in standard form? 6,153. Yes, great focus. The word form of a number is shown. How is this number written in standard form? 8,400. Way to go! The word form of a number is shown. How is this number written in standard form? 9,289. Way to use your brain. Drag and drop to complete the answer. Numbers may be used more than once. How is 7,307 written in standard form? 7,307. Great concentration. You got it. How is 1,718 written in standard form? 1,718. Good job thinking it through. How is 5,450 written in standard form? 5,450. You worked carefully. Nice job. Select the correct answer. What is the word form of the number shown? 30,204. You did it. What is the word form of the number shown? 13,980. You really know this. What is the word form of the number shown? 45,678. You figured it out. What is the word form of the number shown? 12,552. Good thinking. You chose the right one.